And it is included in the Sahih of Imam Muslim. The Prophet says, Inna Allah zawali al-ard. Verily Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala folded whole of the earth for me, فَرَأَيْتُ مَشَارِقَهَا وَمَغَارِبَهَا, so that I saw all the easts of the earth and all the wests of the earth. وَإِنَّ أُمَّتِي سَيَبْلُغُ مُلْكُهَا مَا زُوِيَ لِي مِنْهَا. And take it from me that the rule of my ummah will extend over all the regions of the earth which were shown to me. It will be global in extent. Third hadith from Hazrat Miqdad Ibn al-Aswad radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, reported by Ahmad ibn Hanbal rahimahullah. The Prophet said, لا يبقى على ظهر الأرض بيت وبر ولا مدر إلا أدخله الله كلمة الإسلام بعز عزيز وذل ذليل. إما يعزهم الله تعالى فيجعلوه من أهلها وإما يذلهم فيدينون لها. يقول الراوي فقلت ويكون الدين كله لله. I am translating it hurriedly. The Prophet said, there will not remain even a single home, house on earth, nor a single tent in which Islam will not enter.